Welcome. If you're tired of getting constant notifications from a specific post on Facebook, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to easily disable notifications for any post on Facebook using your PC, all updated for the latest version. Let's jump right in and take control of your notifications. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, scroll through your feed or visit your profile to find the post that's been sending you all those notifications. This could be a post you commented on, reacted to, or simply one that's blowing up with activity. Now, look for the three dots icon in the top right corner of that post. It's a small button, but it's your gateway to more options. Click on those three dots, and a menu will appear with several choices tailored to that specific post. From the menu, select the option that says Turn off notifications for this post. As soon as you click it, you'll stop receiving updates every time someone else comments or reacts to that post. It's that simple. No more unnecessary pings or distractions from a conversation you no longer want to follow. This feature is especially helpful if you're part of a busy group or a popular thread that's getting a lot of attention. You can always turn notifications back on later if you change your mind. Just revisit the post and follow similar steps. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can keep your Facebook notifications relevant and your feed a little more peaceful. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends who might need a little notification relief too. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.